Ever wondered what it takes to transform a brilliant idea into a thriving business? Starting a business may seem like a daunting task, filled with endless challenges and unforeseen hurdles. But fear not, for every complex journey can be broken down into manageable steps. Today, we'll navigate the path of starting a business, from the spark of an idea to the grand opening of your venture. Buckle up and join us as we embark on this entrepreneurial journey. First things first, the genesis of every successful business lies in a compelling idea, an idea that not only intrigues you, but also evokes positive feelings. Your business niche should be something you're passionate about, for passion fuels perseverance, and perseverance paves the way for success. Once you've identified your business niche, the next crucial step is to ensure legal and ethical compliance. This involves consulting with experts and understanding the laws and regulations related to your business. Remember, a business that operates within the legal framework is a business destined for success. The next stage in launching your business is identifying your target customers. Knowing who your ideal customers are will help you tailor your product or service to meet their needs. It's a vital step in establishing a strong market presence. As you delve deeper into the process, you'll need to focus on product development. This involves refining your product or service to ensure it meets customer expectations and stands out in the competitive market. Networking also plays a crucial role at this stage, helping you to build connections that could prove instrumental in your business's growth. Once you've laid the groundwork, it's time to establish a suitable corporate structure. Whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company, the structure you choose will have significant implications on your business's operations and tax obligations. A business plan is the backbone of every successful enterprise. It outlines your business goals, strategies to achieve them, and the resources required. A well-thought-out business plan can be the difference between a thriving business and a failed venture. Finally, the last steps involve registering your business as a legal entity, obtaining tax registration, and joining local business associations. These steps add credibility to your business and open doors for future opportunities. So, to summarize, starting a business is a process that begins with identifying a business niche and ensuring legal compliance. It involves identifying target customers, developing your product or service, networking, and establishing a corporate structure. Creating a business plan, registering your business, and joining local business associations are the final steps that lead to the successful launch of your venture. With these steps, the daunting task of starting a business becomes a manageable journey. Remember, every successful entrepreneur was once a beginner. So, don't be afraid to take the first step. The road may be challenging, but the rewards are worth every hurdle.